CNC is the short from Computer Numerical Control. Milling CNC machines are milling machines where the flow of the table X and Y, and the spindle cutter horse, so it controlled by a program. The program contains instructions that CNC machine should run. The program can be developed directly on CNC, letter by letter, number by number machine. Letter and number in the program called NC program, or was decided to use a PC with special software to create the NC program. The NC program, like this, usually named CAM. The NC program's income with its manual work on CNC machine is a time long waiting. In variable accuracy, machine cannot be used during NC program production and more. While CNC milling definition is as good operator and supervisor, we should know about another CNC milling's knowledge. The paragraph will discuss physical appearance, component, purpose of use, and price the machine, new or used. Main component in the CNC machine usually is a body. In this case, the body was called by column and base. The functional of column and base such as main bracket to sustain another part, spindles, motor, transmission, etc. The spindles machine is a part of the one that became the cutter's house. Cutter is rotated to create a shape that is desired by the operator. Unit rotating in the spindle is called RPM. The next part is bed. It contains clamp or magnetic bed. It used to keep the workpiece on top of bed so that unslippy during the process was on. Transmission is the one of important part. This part is functional to move a torque or power from motors to spindles which operators want. Except transmission, motor is main factor to make a spindle rotating. The source of energy can be from electric or diesel, usually is electrical, for ergonomic use. Control panel are a stack of panel buttons and the front of the machine and serve to give a special command of the machine such as spindle, moving a table, changing the setting parameter, and so on. Each of these buttons must be known and fully understood by a CNC operator. In case, the CNC plant is very efficient in the manufacture of prototype, short-term production of complex components, and manufacture of component and precision component. But these powerful heavy tools offer another benefit, especially when it comes to manipulating of the material in very efficient way. The manual factory is still there. However, with the advent of CNC machine today, it is unquestionably wise to use a CNC factory that can actually change the production process in time, precision and quality of the materials made. While at CNC machine, there are computers that are used for process an image or design of a component that is to be created. The image was later converted into an adjust program that the CNC machine could read afterward. After that, the machine will automatically process the items that are needed. One of the advantages of this machine itself is every program stored in a computer memory. The program's data then can easily write the code and edit the program according to the requirement. This program can be used for different parts, and they don't need to be repeated over and over again. So, CNC machine works like a robot, which is enough with the program we've entered. Then, machine will be able to process the work themselves. As a conclusion, CNC machine can be used for educate and productionally used for manufacturing. Operator can set the command manual or with computer programmed. They can produce any shape and with a brief time inconvenience of program before. The machine is consists of parts that connecting one to one and completed each to other.